Alright guys, we are here at the Flat Island Preserve, and we're going to take a little walk in here and set up a trail cam. It's the about 48 hours before a hurricane is scheduled to arrive in this area, and shit, what the hell is that? Something took off like crazy. I wonder if it was a deer. That's good. Anyways, we got to sign in here just to make sure they know who's here and who's not here. So let me go ahead and sign in. Today being right back. All right, so as you can see over here, that's kind of the group camping area right off the parking lot area. It's got a fire ring. It's got some, as you can see, a water spigot that you can tap in. And there it's telling you to sign in before entering the trail. And it looks like nobody's been here since the last rain. So this is good. I've been kind of watching YouTube videos on this area. And I believe, if I remember right, this area over here goes right into the service road. We're gonna wander in here a little bit. I want to make something, put something in here real nice. It's not too far off the main road here. I go maybe about a quarter mile in. This is a real nice hiking trail because it's, for the most part, 90% of it is all covered. So it's a nice shady walking area. The trail system seems to be really nice and maintained. It's all volunteer. I want to head down to maybe where the island. Oh, hold on, I wanted to start my tracker on my Onyx hunt tracker that I got, so I got an idea where I'm going. It's about 3 o'clock right now, 95 degrees, but kind of checking out where maybe some I see some deer prints. They had some rain here yesterday, so if I run across any prints, deer tracks, I'll know to maybe hang in this area. But this is a real nice setup here. I'll put you in the front again. So this is that service road, and the trail kind of intersects with it and goes around it. So there's a bathroom right at the parking lot there, and I guess the ranger house is located right there too. So doesn't look like he's made his rounds at all, or traveling on the service road. I guess a lot of people hike this are bird watchers. I did see one or two pictures on the internet of some deer here. But I'm going to try to head up in this area here. After, I don't know how much rain we're going to get with this hurricane, but I imagine if we get a fair amount of rain, a lot of this is going to be underwater. So I want to kind of be mindful. I may just keep these out a few days. I mean, I do have knee-high boots that I can put on if I need to retrieve something or check things out. I've got some corn that I'll use to bait some of the local wildlife in. Very thick here. I'm just waiting to hear maybe a snort. A lot of palmettos in here, obviously, it looks like. Alright, so here's our first split. This road eventually, I think, goes down to a canoe area, as you can rent a canoe. And this is A. So let me record this on Onyx. Okay, I recorded the marker A, and we're going to go this way. This kind of loops around back to the service road again. There's what they call a walkway that leads up to a area where where you launch your canoes, and that's about a 2 mile, no, it's about a mile hike over there, and we're not going to do that today, since we're here just to set some trail cams. Most of the people head over there, so this doesn't look like it's had any traffic on here. I want to find an area that opens up a little bit, and it should, right before I get to the island itself, so far we've gone about a quarter mile. I think a half mile would be the max where we want to go to. As you can see, this is the red trail. Squirrels in here. All right, we're back to the service road again. And there's the boardwalk and the canoe area. That's like a half mile. that's where most of the people go because they want to see what it's all about. So, let me check my map here a second. All right, well, we're going to try a little bit different area here. There's supposed to be a road 2/10 of a mile here that heads back. I was hoping to go out into some woods. See, this is going to be all underwater if they get a ton of rain. All right, I think I'm gonna head in this direction. Is that trail right there? If it is, I don't want to go there. I don't want to put it right there. Yeah, that's that trail. We don't want to do that. I think there's a road. Goes up here. Just trying to see if there's any footprints there. That little side road might be. This might be it. There's one. Okay, so this is. Let me check the map. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can find something up here. I think I'm gonna find something quick. There's that tree that's blown over. This should be a pretty good marking. And there you can see water there. Let's see. There are alligators here. Alright, we decided to head in this way. But maybe we're going to change our mind. Alright guys, well, we got our Moultrie Edge trail cam set up and camouflaged it a little bit. And it's got a 12-volt battery pack on the outside powering it. Camouflaged it a little bit, and we got some deer corn out here. So let's sit back and watch the action, hopefully. Alright, let's head back to the car. It's coming up on an hour out here. So, ooh. All right, on our way back. Little squirrel. And we're back to the service road. And we'll just take this one. I believe the service road is going to be a shortcut back to the parking lot. Hard to believe in 24 hours we're going to have winds of sustained winds of 50 miles an hour. I got all the GPS marked for the trail cam, and it did send me a notification. I did a test image, but the cell signal is kind of weak here, so I can't open up the picture to view it, but it did send it. Okay, maybe if it's a little cooler out tomorrow, I think I'm coming here tomorrow to set another trail cam. This is where we came in, and this is going to the boardwalk. We'll hit that another day. So I'll take this. We haven't gone this way yet. We'll see if cross any deer tracks on the road here. I just got a feeling there's not that many deer in here, or they are so deep that they don't venture out. But we'll see. This is a good way to see what's here. I've heard that there's sometimes some hogs in here too. I think that hooked up with that other trail. So we'll have to see. Mosquitoes are so-so. They're not bad, but they make you aware they're here. And this is good timing today because our 3 multi-edge cameras were delivered today. They were under warranty and they replaced. There's our marker A, so we're not too far. I had some cameras. Oh, look at this. Somebody put a trail cam right here. Probably the ranger. Probably keeping an eye is an easy way to keep an eye on people. I'm surprised it was right out in the open like that. Alright guys, we're almost back to the car. And look what we found here. Anybody knows what that is? Pretty. Alright. So, make sure we don't forget to sign out. And that's going to wrap it up for this trail cam adventure. We'll see you guys in the next one at the Flat Island Preserve. Till next time, adios.